Hey guys, today we're changing the oil on our Yamaha TT-R110. These bikes have been the same since 2008, so it's going to apply to any of these bikes. To get it done, we're going to need a few items. You need a drain pan, we've got a torque wrench, 12mm socket, we've got a funnel, safety glasses, rubber gloves, and then we've got the 1040 oil. You need 1 liter. We've got a crush washer and some contact cleaner. First thing we're going to do is warm the bike up for a few minutes. We'll get the oil warmed up, and that's going to allow it to drain a little bit easier. Then I'm going to clean off the drain plug, remove it, let that oil drain out, and while it does it, I'm going to wipe off my drain plug and remove the old crush washer and put the new one on. Once the oil is completely drained out, wipe off the sealing surface, reinstall the drain plug and torque it to 14 foot-pounds. Now we can pull the dipstick on the other side. We're going to pour in 800 milliliters of oil. Reinstall the dipstick, run the bike for a minute, and once it's sat and settled for a minute, you can check the level on the dipstick. You want to be at the upper end of the grid. And when you check it, you're not threading the dipstick in. So that's it for changing the oil on your Yamaha TT-R110. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need oil or any other parts for your bike, you can find that stuff on our website. Just click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free. And hey, if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.